Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about the Stellar Repair for Video software. A few days ago, we reviewed another software from Stellar on our channel, and we received a very positive response. Many viewers told us that their software is actually quite good. So today, we're looking at another one of their tools called Repair for Video. This is a very essential software for online creators like us, because often our video files can get corrupted or damaged due to glitches, viruses, or other issues. To solve these kinds of problems, this software is very effective. You can download this software from their official website, Stellar Repair for Video. The interface is very simple and minimalistic. There's nothing overly complicated. There's just a menu button that expands and collapses when clicked. You can select your preferred language. There are options like About, Help, Refresh, Purchase, and I'm using a paid activated copy. So overall, it's very simple with no unnecessary features. From here, you can click on Add Videos to import your corrupted file. After clicking, you select the corrupted video file you want to repair. For example, I've selected this file here. Now let me show you that this file is actually not playing. As you can see, the video doesn't play. It's a corrupted file. So now I've added it into the software. All you need to do is click on Repair and the process will start. You can see the progress bar and the repairing status in real time. Now sometimes the repair might not complete successfully on the first try. In that case, you can use the Advanced Repair option. When you click on it, it will ask you to add a sample video, meaning a similar video file recorded from the same device or with the same format. This helps the software detect and fix the corrupted file more effectively. So here I have a sample video. I'll add it. If you have multiple files, you can use the Apply to all files of same format option. But since I only have one file, I'll skip that. Then I click on Repair. After clicking Repair, it will take some time. Let's wait a bit. Okay, as you can see, the repair process is completed. It says, Repair process completed. Check status column to view the repair outcome. So we click OK. Now you can either directly save the repaired file or preview it first. If you click on the Preview button, you can watch the repaired video before saving it. As you can see, the video is now playing properly, so the repair worked perfectly. After that, you can click on Save Repaired File. You can either save it to the original source location or choose a custom location. For now, I'll save it to the source location. Once saved, you can see that a new folder has been created. Inside, there's a log file and the repaired video file. The log file contains detailed information about the repair process, like frames and errors. And this is the final repaired video. So for a 48-second video, it took around 30 seconds to repair, which is quite fast. Overall, this is a very useful tool. If you're a content creator like us or someone who frequently deals with video files that might get corrupted, you should definitely check out this software. It's really impressive. We'll put the link in the description so you can check it out from there if you need it. Stay well, and see you in the next video.